Hi everyone, today the project is to replace the stock fuel tank on my XCF 350. It's a 24 model. I'm going to replace it with the 4-gallon Acerbis. I took the black one because it was less expensive, about $200 Canadian less than the transparent one basically. So yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna look great. So let's get into it. All right, first step, remove the seat. Okay, then I need to remove both the plastic on each side. There's a couple of screws in there, so let's just do that. Okay, disconnect the fuel line. You press on the tab here and just pull. Okay, so at this point, I think I can just remove the tank. Okay, so here's a good comparison. I mean, this one is giant. It holds 4-gallon, whereas the stock one is 2.2. And for me, I think it makes sense to do the switch because I live in a remote area where like gas stations are pretty far away, like from the trails. The other day I went on the trail ride for 8 hours, 400 kilometers, and I consistently had to think about where I'm going to get some gas. Whereas this one I can probably do about 200 to 250 kilometers before I need to fuel up, so it's pretty darn good for me, I think. So that's why I'm making the change. Also, one of my good friends told me that for this brand new gas tank, I need to put some gas in it, shake it so that it cleans the interior. So if anything like plastic residue or something like that are still in the tank, it's gonna clean it up. I will get rid of the fuel, then I'll just transfer the rest in it. All right, so I cleaned the tank, get rid of the fuel, so I will transfer the rest of the fuel in it. Or you know what, I think I will just wait. I will install it and do the fuel later. Okay, so next step, I will remove the fuel pump, transfer it over the new tank. Doesn't need to be crazy tight here. Not sure about the torque spec, but we'll just snug them up. Alright, like so. I think it's now ready to go back on the bike. Alright, I am ready to reassemble the plastic, fix the tank, and we should be good. There's just a breather here I need to... I can see that I will have a problem with that. I can fix that later. Alright, the tank is secured. Just need to put the seat back on and we should be good to add some fuel in it. Alright, so it is done. I really like the look. I mean, you can't go wrong, I think, with the black. So yeah, let's try to start it.